In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tailgate handle rod clips on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. We want to remove the bezel. Because of the way this handle is, it's a little bit high on the bezel, so we're going to have trouble pulling that off. So some vehicles you may be able to just pop that off without loosening up the handle. Lower the tailgate. We're going to take these 3 bolts out using a 13mm socket. Raise this up. Now I'm not going to close the tailgate completely. The top part of the bezel I'm going to push down and just try to pry it out. You can use a trim tool. There's 2 clips that go in like this. You're going to get those past. Once those are past, don't pull out too much on the bottom. The bottom has to raise up. Just push in and up. The bottom, you might have to move the handle around a little. It slides out like that. Those are the 2 bottom, they slide down, and the 2 tops slide in. Now we're going to disconnect the rod clips. Just push down, twist it, and you can slide the rod out. Do the same on this one. Twist it, slide the rod out. And at this point, because we took the bolts out, you can remove the handle. Just slide it out. Just like that. Make it easier to replace the clips. You can just squeeze these. That slides out. Slide the new clip in, just like that. Do the same with the other one. If you need to, you can use some pliers. Pop that out. Take the new one and slide it in place. You can reinstall the handle. Get the rods lined up. Push that in. Lock it down. Do the same on the other side. Lock it down. Take the bezel, slide it over the handle, and then you want to slide the 2 tabs down first. Slide those all the way down. With those all the way down, then push the top in. Now holding the handle on the other side, get the holes lined up and get the bolts started. Tighten those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.